Hey guys, this is Phon-Er Gold Vlog 69. That's 69, and we are doing a phone at 11:21 right now. It's an iPhone 6s Plus, and we're gonna get the screen. And the call just came through, so we're gonna go in the back of our house and do it. So come with us, and we'll see you and how it goes, and show you how it's done. See you soon. Peace. Cut.
Yeah, my phone all of a sudden, the little white streak, I think I must have put a little pressure point on it.
Oh shit, just like.
And I can't unlock my phone because I have to press one and the one button doesn't work, so I couldn't unlock my phone, so then I was disabling it for 15 minutes. I'm like, okay, stop.
That's crazy.
But yeah, he keeps replacing my phone. I know it's frustrating.
Okay, cool. So check out your. Let me make sure it's good. Yeah. So guys, that will be all. Thank you for watching this vlog 69 Phon-Er Gold, and that's the last piece.
I don't want you. Yes, I do. I don't want you.